Before we start this video, for Micah Babayan PH viewers, I'll be doing English contents if it's related to 3D printing. I also have some international viewers, so I'll be bleeding my nose for 3D printing related contents. So I got a new bike, and this has a very mean look from the front, and I want to add some character to it. We'll be doing some quick modeling. First, I'll start by taping the part that I need to scan. My scanner can't read black subjects. Found that masking tape or painter's tape work really well. After masking the black parts, I will start scanning now. The scanner that I use here is a Revapoint Range. This is a really nice scanner, just a bummer that it doesn't work in black subjects. It's very handy as well. I just use my phone to scan instead of connecting it to my computer, so it's like fairly portable. The only 3D modeling software that I know how to use is Fusion 360, and this doesn't have a sculpting mode. It has forms. It is somehow similar, and I'm also new to this, so I'm just playing on it and see what I can do. I only print on PETG, and this white filament have moisture on it. That explains the stringing, but PETG is very easy to print and easy to clean. I use my A1 Mini and A1 here to print, so I can have this done right away. PETG is also great with bed adhesion, so with that weird print orientation, I managed to print it by just adding brims. Printer that I use is Bambulab, and for me, they are great. With the default setting, I never had any issues removing supports with BDG unless the filament is wet, which ruins a lot of things, including the tolerance, and it's hard to remove supports when the filament is wet. So right now, I'm just removing the supports, and it's really easy to remove it with the default settings from Bambulab. For the glue, I'm just using CA glue. It's quick to dry, and it holds up great. CA glue is my main glue that I use unless the part that I'm going to be using it on is flexing. If the part is flexing, I do not use CA glue. I use a different glue, which is I'll show in a different video. To attach it to my bike, I'm just going to be adding some 3M tapes. And moment of truth, if this is going to work, how it's going to look like, let's see. It definitely added a different character to my bike. The eyes are still very mean. I mean, the headlights, but dude, that is really nice. I think I'm not going to remove this from my bike. Or maybe I'm going to make a different design, like a bit of tongue sticking out. So if you like this kind of videos or contents about 3D printing, I would really appreciate if you share, like, and don't follow. Thank you for watching, guys.